How to create a listing on Amazon. I am going to show you how you can create a listing on Amazon. This entire listing creation process isn't difficult, but it can be quite unintuitive. You need to know where to go and what to click on. First off, log into Seller Central. Then head over to Inventory. Add a product. On the Add New Products page, you have three options. You can add a new product already sold on Amazon by searching for the product ID or name. Add a new product not already sold on Amazon. Upload multiple products at once via the bulk upload method. Most people are going to sell their products. So for the purposes of this guide, we will show you how to create a product listing with option number 2. Determining a category simply requires 1 minute and can greatly benefit your company in lots of ways. The first tab you will need to work on is Vital Info. If you're selling your own private label product, just fill out your brand name for both of these. This is where you will input your product's unique barcode number. Depending on the category, there may be additional fields for you to fill out not visible. The rest of these fields, like color, shape, etc., are optional but highly recommended. It will help give Amazon more information about your product, which could potentially boost its organic ranking. If you're selling different types of the same product, like different sizes, quantities, or colors, you will need to specify that here. First, open the drop-down menu and indicate what type of variation you are offering. After you have chosen this, more fields will open up for you to specify the name of each variation you are offering. Once you have finished the variations, they will appear below. Now you just need to fill out the appropriate info for each one and you're all set. Next up is the Offer tab. Pricing is another important aspect of making your Amazon service work better. Once you have hit save and finish and created your listing, you can come back to this tab and you will see a few more fields you can fill in. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is not the price your customer will pay. In theory, it is supposed to be the highest price that theoretically you could sell your product for you if you weren't so generous. On your actual listing, it will appear as the list price. In the end, it is essentially act as an anchor price, giving your customer a sense of comparison. The sales price is the actual price your customer will pay. This will create a struck out price with your sale price listed next to it, like so. Seller SKU is where you input your seller SKU. If you don't have one, Amazon will automatically generate one for you. Condition is where you input the selling condition of your product. If you're a private label, you can click New. Lastly, you will input the fulfillment method of your inventory FBA or FBM. Most categories allow you to upload up to 10 images. The pictures of your products are an important part of optimizing your Amazon page. That is the reason it is so vital to give shoppers a bunch of high-quality pictures that show off your product and explain what it can do for them. Now, once you have created your listing, you're going to want to come back and fill this tab out. The description tab contains the meat of your listing. It is divided into two sections: key product features and product description. The key product features are the bullet points that appear at the top of your listing. The product descriptions you use are also an important part of optimizing your Amazon ad. The Keywords tab is for you to input additional keywords that won't appear on your listing, but will help the algorithm identify and rank your product. Amazon uses reviews and scores of products in its search algorithm to give shoppers the best results. Amazon knows that your product is great if it has 200 reviews and a rate of 5 stars. The last tab is simply for the nitty-gritty details of your product. As such, what it looks like will depend on what your product is, so we won't be able to break it down here.